past Grand Master of our Grand Lodge, our beloved and desired admission.
Very worshipful Grand Marshal, you will retire and conduct our beloved past Grand Masters inside the Grand Lodge.
Most worshipful Grandmaster, I take great pleasure presenting to you the past Grandmasters of the most worshipful Grand Lodge of free and accepted Masons of the Philippines. Most worshipful Danilo D. Angeles, Grandmaster in 1995 and our Grand Secretary. Most worshipful Hermogenes T. M. Dane Jr., Grandmaster in 2005, Most Worshipful Romeo A. Yu, Grandmaster in 2006, Most Worshipful Pacifico B. Anyang, Grandmaster in 2008, Most Worshipful Peter Yu Lim No Sui, Grandmaster in 2009, Most Worshipful Abilino I. Rason Jr., Grandmaster in 2010, Most Worshipful Juanito P. Abergas, Grandmaster in 2011, Most Worshipful Santiago T. Gabiolsa Jr., Grandmaster in 2012, Most Worshipful Alan Lamadrid Purisima, Grandmaster in 2014, Most Worshipful Tomas G. Retoy III, Grandmaster in 2015. Most Worshipful Voltaire P. Gasmin, Grandmaster in 2016. Most Worshipful Abraham N. Tolentino, Grandmaster in 2017. Most Worshipful Mio S. Momo, Grandmaster in 2018. Most Worshipful Agapito S. Suwan Jr., Grandmaster 2019. Most Worshipful Roland C. Paulino, Grand 2021. And Most Worshipful Don D. Ramas Uybichin, Grandmaster in 2023 and our Grand Treasurer.
Most worshipful past Grand Masters of the Grand Lodge of Free and Accepted Masons of the Philippines, we rise to honor you with gratitude and esteem. In ages past, the craftsmen of old laid in the first stones of the pyramids that they would never see completed, and raised the arches of cathedrals whose towers would be finished by hands yet unborn. So too have you labored in your time. You planted seeds whose shades others now enjoy.